Hi, creative friends! Welcome back to our craft channel. Today we're going to make something super colorful and happy, a paper plate rainbow. Isn't that fun? First, let's see what we need for our beautiful rainbow. You will need a paper plate, some colorful paints. I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. We also need some puffy white cotton balls for our clouds, a pair of scissors, and some glue. Make sure to ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors, okay? Let's start by cutting our paper plate in half, like this. Then we'll paint our rainbow colors on the curved edge. Let's start with red. We'll make a nice big arc. Then comes orange, right under the red. Next up is yellow, like the sunshine. Then our lovely green, like grass. And don't forget blue, like the sky. Our last color is purple. Wow, look at all those beautiful colors. We're making a magical rainbow. Now that our paint is drying, let's get our cotton balls ready for our fluffy clouds. Take a little piece of cotton and stretch it out to make it look like a cloud. We need a few of these. Once your paint is dry, we'll put some glue on the bottom straight edge of our rainbow. Just a little line of glue. Now stick your fluffy cotton clouds right onto the glue. Press them down gently so they stay. Ta-da! Look at our amazing paper plate rainbow. Isn't it wonderful? You can hang this in your room or give it to someone special. We made our own colorful rainbow. That was so much fun. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked making this craft, and don't forget to subscribe for more crafty adventures. See you next time, creative friends. Bye.